Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And today, let's go ahead and teach you another phrase, another proverb or idiom in Hakka so that you can learn something that's meaningful and educational. 今天要教的是什么呢 Leo?
好，今天要教的这一句呢，叫做忙中寡，闲待旁，忙中拉夜显而妙。
忙中寡，忙着在做什么事情，对不对？
不是，
不是哦，
还没种瓜，忙就是还没有。
哦，忙中寡 that means you haven't planted your melons, all right? 然后第二句呢？
就闲待旁，就是先搭那个棚子。
哦，先搭棚 okay, that means you build the shelves first, okay? 好 you haven't planted the melon, but you're building the shelves. 然后后面这一段呢？
忙中拉夜显而妙。
忙中来的显恩妙，
就是还没生儿子啊，就已经先取好名字。
哦，有点倒过来的感觉，对不对？ Okay, that the second half of this phrase, which is kind of a parallel to the first half, meaning that you're doing things backwards, is you haven't even had a child yet, but you already gave him or her a name. 哦，所以我相信这个谚语应该是在提醒大家，就是一定要有一个次序才对。
对，就是你要把握到重点之后呢，循序渐进。你看瓜都种下去了，然后它已经发芽的时候，我们来搭棚子，这样其实这个顺序才对嘛，对不对？不知道是儿子还是女儿，你就先取好名字。那万一你生了个女儿，那取了名字就不对了。
That's true. Even though some people might think of a future child's name, but it really is again referring to things have a certain order, and if you're doing it backwards, it's not effective. You know, 就像说你还没有请假，但是你机票已经订了，这样子也很不对，对不对？
也是啦。不过常常大家都是这样做的。
对，你可以拿着机票去逼老板说：“哎，我订了，我非走不可。”
对，我非走不可。
So sometimes it might work out well. Anyways, let's hear this explanation in English.
Putting up the trellis before you've planted the melon seeds, giving a baby a name before it's born. This Hakka saying highlights the mistake of doing things out of order. You should plant melon seeds before you've put up the frame and trellis, just as you should give a baby a name only after it's been born. It's fine to be enthusiastic, but according to this saying, you have to put first things first.
And let's have Leo read the phrase out again.
忙中寡，闲待旁，忙中拉夜显而妙。
And there you have it, another great proverb in Hakka. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
安子say張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.